Right. All right, cure for 30 seconds. And it is Premium's Eye Hold Transfer Foil. They are pixie. So this is a Metal Beats Bobby Sosa Bobby. This is the Diamond Dust Pixie, and this is Metal Beats. They're different. This one is a Metal Beats. They look so similar, but they are not. So this is Diamond Dust Pixie, not Metal Beats. Let me see what we are going to do on this one. Maybe we should do, should we do this one? Try black and white. Let's try that and see how things turn out. Great. All right. So how the upline says, when you see one side is really shiny and the other end, the other side, the size is matte look. Let's place that on. We'll do that one right there. It's interesting though. Oh, it came off before I even like doing it. Oh, nice. This part is the white part, and if you miss it, you can just light it up and put it in there. And this one is the other part, and it's see-through though, so that's why I see through my white colors. This is how I transfer. I'm gonna cut that because it's heavy, so it pull my off before I even want to come off. So you can lay that back up. If not, then I'm not worried about it. Just a little bit spot there. I am going to using condensed glue gels and do some cute crystals on this one. Can everyone see it? Great. All right, and no wet top coat. I always keep repeating it because it's really important for the crystal placements. And if you are really tired of getting all that crystals coming off, or they are not staying on well for you. All right. I am going to, I'm going to use obsidians and silver, but I'm going to get one of this really cool big raindrop. Is the Supreme's raindrop from our collection. And I'm gonna really bling that out. That's cool. You can also do it down and then make it like a halo. Either way, it looks really beautiful. But it's up to you. I think it's gonna look great no matter what you're doing with them. I'm having so much fun. It's like playing with all of this. Mix colors. Right there, I found it. A little bit bigger one. Let me see closer. Oh my lovey. Hey, it's not bad, everyone. Just like, okay, cool. Different. Today's, instead of going to our regulars, like all different decoration, I said, let's do it something different together. And I can't wait to see all your creations because you lady are so amazing, like so talented. When seeing all beautiful work, and said, oh my God, it's so inspired. All right. They just high for me right now. Hold on. Get me the different tray. I'm gonna get the different tray here. Now I can see that. Now I can see better. Thank you. You feel like you're going dig for the treasures. I like that. Tiny little one. Looks cool. I kind of like the colors, combinations of all different colors. Come on, the tiny one. Have the pink one right there. Now, you can do obsidian to matching with your LVs here if you want to.